Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this XIAOMI Mijia Cordless Rechargeable Screwdriver with a Li-ion battery 3.6 volt 2000 mAh with a 5 Newton meter torch for home DIY projects, renovation, assembly furniture and more. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it, find out how much power it can give us, this cordless rechargeable screwdriver. And of course inside we're gonna find out, and the manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Nice lovely case, I like it. Protect this precious tool. You can have it with you at any time, at anywhere, at your car, camping, vacation, wherever you want. It is portable and small. Okay, nice case, everything fit perfectly at the right position. Oh, there it is, nice. Well, definitely it feels very nice to my hand, well manufactured. I like the design. Now let's see the accessories. We've got a cable, we've got the type A to type C to charge this unit. Charging time, it takes about 3 hours. And here we've got a lovely case. You can see the Mijia logo for the 12 screw bits with an extension. Magnet, of course. Whoa, strong magnet. Oh, you can hear the sound. Oh, nice. I like it. Now let's see one by one what we've got. The Torx T25, T20 and T15. And next we've got the H3, H4 and the H5. And of course we've got the Philips, that it is the PH1, PH2 and the PH3. And of course we've got the flat SL4 and the SL6. And the last, it is the PZ2. Nice case, fit perfectly, and you can take it with you anywhere. Nice. And there's the tool. Inside we've got a strong magnetic motor, all metal gearbox, 5 Newton meter torch. Definitely a great assistant for daily maintenance at your home. With a fully charged battery 2000 mAh, you can screw a typical screws about 180 pieces. This cordless screwdriver has won the Design Award 2019. It is an industrial German design award. Good for that. And we've got of course the trigger. It is in lock mode right now and only works the 3 LEDs illuminate your work area. And of course at the back we've got the adjustment, left, lock, right. Trigger, lock, only light and right. And we can see we've got only one speed. That will be a little bit of frustrating to work with this cordless screwdriver. We don't have at the trigger adjustable speed control. Only one speed. Well, I don't know why. That is thumbs down for me. And let's try the accessories. Nice. Nothing at the front to adjust the speed, only one speed. That kind of tools are not so great for furniture assembly. You need a precise torch when you're assembling furniture. I'm going to try it and see how it works. Screw some screws at the wood. But before that, let's give it a charge. You can use a 5 volt adapter if that is a power bank or power adapter. And we can see we've got the red light, that means it's charging. When it goes on white, it will be fully charged. Perfect. This tool, it has a double layer UV bagging vanish painting technique, dirt proof and corrosion preventive. Definitely it is a well manufactured, but let's move on for testing and see how it can perform. Now we've got some screws here. I will start with a smaller screw. Okay. Next. Okay, that was a bigger length. That is about 3 centimeters, the length. Okay, it has power. Longer. This is 4 centimeters, the length. Okay. Same but thicker. Okay, powerful motor. And the last screw, it is about 6 centimeters. Oh. Yep, that is the maximum length. It's about 4.5 centimeters. That it can go further inside this 9 centimeter wood. Well, I can say it is powerful, yes. Now, when you want to assemble a furniture, let's say at this cabinet, screw at the wood. Okay, rotate. You can see it's not going to stop because it doesn't have a torch control. If you will try it screwing at the metal, yes, it stops because the screw, it is at the metal. At the wood, you need to adjust with torch control because the wood is sensitive and each screw, it is different. It depends the length, the thickness, and that's why you need to have a torch control for assembly furniture. I don't think so. This tool, it is very helpful for assembly furniture. But definitely this cordless screwdriver, it has power. I'm not going to disagree at this. It's doing an amazing job screwing all these screws. I am a little bit skeptical if you want to use it for furniture assembly. Well, use it, but I think in the end you need to use a manual screwdriver or a cordless screwdriver with a torch adjustment. It is an amazing tool. Light on the front, very good manufacturer. I'm sure it has a brushless motor inside, motor with magnets. Included in this lovely case, this bits, 12 bits with the extender. And this lovely case, you can have all that at this case and have it with you. It is small and portable. If you want to buy it, you can check down below in the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information and where you can buy it. And with all guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. That is the only thing that I want from you guys. Share this video if you never know who need it and hit the notification bell because you don't want to lose my next video. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.